Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Basically Martin is my name, and in this week's video I'm gonna be sharing with you guys how I edit my Instagram photos for free on Android using a few simple apps. So please keep around, watch the whole video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if this is very important to you. I'm kind of lazy today, you guys. If you're very keen, you notice my backdrop is not here. So I just woke up at night to record this video. I feel lazy, but I want to do it, so yeah, I'm gonna do it just now. So let's get into the video. Let me show you guys how I edit my pictures. Guys, so in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how I use Snapseed. Snapseed. Jesus Christ. Snapseed is a free app by Google that is actually good for editing pictures. It's free. It used to cost I think like $3 sometime back, but now there is a free version, and for those of us who use Android, this is actually one of the best apps to actually use to edit your pictures. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I use Snapseed and Lightroom. They are the only two apps I actually use, and as you guys can see in this picture right here, my Instagram feed is a bombshell. Like, yeah. And plus, if you don't follow me on Instagram, what are you doing here? Like, dude. Cool. So yeah, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to use Snapseed and Lightroom, and plus I'm gonna be showing you guys how I get free Lightroom presets. I actually have like 30. I actually know why you guys can get like 30 free Lightroom presets to actually use and stuff like that. If you need any more like tips on how to create an aesthetic Instagram feed or aesthetic Instagram bio ideas, I'm gonna put the links to those videos down below. You guys should actually watch them. For now though, let me show you guys how I use Snapseed and then how I actually transfer those pictures from Snapseed to Lightroom for a final picture. So please stick around, watch the whole video. Okay guys, so I'm going to be showing you guys from my phone how I use Snapseed. So this right here is Snapseed. So I come to Snapseed and it shows me reset. I'll have to go to my gallery. Oh my god, you guys are going to see things in my gallery. These are my brother's pictures for something we have been trying to do. So this is my gallery, and I'm going to pick something like this picture. It's a photo shoot we've had with my brother of late, and it's something of me in my bed trying to read something, and it's something on a post. So if I want to edit something like this, I'll press here and it will bring settings, tutorials, stuff like that. This will bring image details and stuff like that, and then here is some of the details. So I'll click on that. Oh my, yeah, I'll put this here. I'll click on this pencil and all these alternatives will come. I love to use the brush right up here, and then go to exposure, and I want to make the bed sheets a little bit whiter, so I'm going to use the exposure to whiten the bed sheets a little bit, because they are white, but making them white will actually make the picture more, you know, good and, you know, sexy and all that stuff, if I may say so. See, the bed sheets are whiter in a bit, and I will save it just like that. And if you that's the only thing I actually use Snapseed for, and also if I want to make texts that were exposure frames or something like that. But for this picture I only wanted to make the sheets a little bit whiter, so that was it. So after this is done, I'll save it right here, and I'll go to save. Then the photo is already saved. So now the photo is saved, I'm going to go to Lightroom. So you guys, if you know you want any Lightroom presets are very expensive. Many creatives are making presets, but in the description down below there is actually a link to where you guys can get free presets. So I'm going to come right here to these all photos, and then I'm going to add on this plus sign, because I want to add that picture that I just made, which is right here. So I'm going to add it. I know guys are seeing lots of pictures in my phone. I actually use my phone, this what I'm using right now, my tablet, as also my camera, as also my laptop, and many things, because it's easy for me to carry around. So now the picture is right here, so I'm going to choose a preset. This is a preset, this is a preset. All these are like presets down here. All these three last presets that have presetlab.com are actually presets. So I'm going to use this preset because it's my favorite, and it's what I'm using on my Instagram right now. I love the little grains, the white and everything. So I'll come here and I'll do copy settings, okay, back, and then I'll come to this picture right here, and then I'll do this settings right here, and I'll do paste. So now it has a different kind of thing, and I'll go to this share button and I'll do save on device. So that's how I actually use and edit my pictures. It's actually very simple. I use Snapseed and Lightroom. There's actually a better tutorial on how to use Snapseed by some other lady. She's a blogger. I'm gonna put also the link in the description down below. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. This is actually our final picture. So I'm going to go in my gallery and show you guys the two. So this is our final, and this was our before, after, before, after. Thank you guys so much. I hope this video is actually very important and helpful to you young creatives out there. Keep following your dreams, wear your masks, take care, stay safe. Thank you very much. Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell in case I have any more videos just for you guys. I make many lifestyle videos and also other videos for content creators just like me. I love you guys so much. Thank you for the support. Thank you for everything. I love you very much. And if you need any more videos about Instagram, anything like that, the link's actually going to be in the description.